I got a question for you guys. Like, before you're about to ride, do you guys get anxious? Like, you start to talk yourself out of it, like, maybe I'm a little too tired to ride. Maybe just sleep in today. I don't know, every time I'm about to ride, I get anxious for no reason. But I told myself today, I was like, if I don't ride today, I'm not gonna ride the rest of the week, and it's Sunday, and I have to work the rest of the week. So I had to do it. The weather is freaking perfect, and I know I'll regret it if I don't ride. How you guys been? Sorry I haven't made videos. Like, I didn't feel like recording. I did go out for rides, but I just didn't feel like recording. Also, like, I don't know what to talk about. Sometimes you just want to go out and ride and just listen to music, and that's what I've been doing. So I just rode without making any videos. I mean, I would record, but it's nothing good to post. But just giving you guys an update video. Like, I'm doing good. I have 4 more weeks left in Wisconsin if I don't extend. I'm trying to go south for the winter, but we'll see. I mean, like, Wisconsin is one of the highest paying contracts right now, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, there's just so much open road in Wisconsin. It's crazy. Bunch of farms and open road. Doing little pulls. If I haven't rode in 2 weeks, I feel like I have to relearn and get comfortable on the bike again. So where the hell are we? Hilbert, population 1248, damn. Alright, I gotta pull up the GPS and figure out where I am. Alright guys, I found where I'm supposed to go. I gotta head that direction, the lake is that way, and I was heading the opposite way. Power wheelie. Woo! Let's go, baby. Oh, I forgot to zip on my jacket. Oh, fuck. Always forget to zip on my jacket. Alright, try another power wheelie. Just a little baby one. I gotta, like, make sure I pull evenly on both sides. I noticed that I'm pulling more on my left side. Ooh, gravel. Where the hell is the lake? Man, we're on a mission just to get to the lake. We finally made it. Made it to the lake. Damn, look at this. Looks like the freaking ocean. It's a huge lake. Oh, this would be a nice place to practice wheeling my R3. Wow, damn, look at this. Woo! This is a picture spot. Wow, this is nice. Look at that, man. It's a nice spot. Nobody's here too. See, like, even just riding right now, I'm like questioning. I'm like, I'm not even gonna post this video, but whatever. So I'll go on rides, record, and then like halfway through I'm like, this isn't even post worthy. That's what sucks about motovlogging. You just like, you start to run out of things to talk about. But man, what a beautiful day. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Just enjoy the ride. Sorry I don't have too much to talk about, but just enjoying the bike life. That's it. Not gonna worry about making content. Just enjoy this beautiful day. Hope you guys are out there still riding. Hope you didn't put your bikes away for the winter. It's too early, man. Been seeing people putting their bikes away already, like on Facebook. But look at this, man. There's so many days in the winter too where you can still ride, as long as it's like over 40 degrees. I'm still out. But keep riding. Enjoy your bike, man. If you don't got a bike, get one. It's the best thing I ever did. That's it. Peace out, guys.